Hey, hi everyone. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. So, today I am back with another wonderful and very interesting topic, actually. In fact, I want to give you two special mantras. Do you really want to know what it is? Okay. I'm sure you would have heard it many a times, but yes, more than a mantra, it's also a gentle reminder for us. So, what is it? So, listen carefully. One, don't take yourself seriously and don't take anyone else seriously. Okay? And one more, don't take anything personally, right? So don't take anything seriously, don't take anything personally. And one more to add to is that don't believe everything what others say, whether it is good or bad. You know why? Because many a times, with the person, what we hear from the other side, our mind is very capable of forming a lot of stories, a lot of associations based on our experiences, based on our conditioning, and we kind of create our own story within our mind. So sometimes, even if it's an inspiring story, at deeper level it probably ends up creating a lot of conflicts in our mind because we kind of not dealing with the reality, right? So three things: don't take anything seriously, don't take anything personally, and don't believe everything what others says, okay, to you. And I know we have heard this many a times, but we often kind of forget it. And I found it recently that if I can just go by these mantras in my life will be much easier, right? So try to be more light, try to bring more silliness into your life, I would say, okay? But why are you so serious? Why are you listening to my talk so seriously? Come on, just smile, okay? What did I say? Don't take anything seriously, so don't take me seriously, okay? So come out of your seriousness, come out of your responsibility attitude, and let's we try to be more like a childlike again, I would say. And I was also just curious to understand, why do we often feel the need to take ourselves so seriously? Well, there's nothing wrong with all of us. It's just that I think because of some of the conditioning, some of the societal expectations, in fact our inner critics a lot of time, and there's so many factors that kind of contribute us to this mindset. Because I remember sometimes, we have been, as we grow up and as we go to the college, we start building our career, and then move into other responsibilities of families and all. Many a times we always keep saying, you have to be really serious now, you have to be serious about the life. And often in that context, we kind of stop living our life, and we kind of take this seriousness into every aspect of our life, so that's why I wanted to just drop it. Yes, of course, when we have responsibilities, we have to take that with seriousness, but not that every time we have to be serious, right? So just smile and laugh, right? And also, I think it's okay to learn and laugh at our mistakes. That's what we have forgotten. I have seen it myself, like just to share, remember you as a child, very small child. Uh, how often you would have made mistakes, right? How often you had done so many silly things, how many times you have embarrassed yourself. But at the end of the day, you were still very happy, you were still very joyful, because one, definitely you didn't took yourself seriously, and second thing is that you learn to laugh at yourself. You had that inbuilt character in that. So let's bring that again, while we have grown up, for sure. Because these small things, like if we are able to find a little bit of a humor, little bit of silliness, craziness in our everyday life, we can help to navigate all the life's ups and downs, as we call it, with so much of grace and ease. While I'm talking to you, I'm suddenly remembering, I don't know, one of my friend, or from one of the talk I heard that the person, was there, and his mother used to always while she was old, and while she used to walk, she used to tumble a lot, and she will fell down. And all the family members will be like, making so serious face. Oh my God, again she just fell down, again she'll hurt herself. And every time she will fall off, she will start laughing like so much. And the entire, the surrounding will become so easy, and all the seriousness will just vanish away. I mean, so see how, it is easy. It's easier said than, but if we can learn to laugh at our own mistakes, our own silliness, we definitely can bring more playfulness into our life. And I think that's what is missing. No matter how much positive things you keep saying it to your mind, no matter how much optimistic attitude you have, so one of the things, the key thing, is to please bring more of a laughter, more of a playfulness into your life. And tell me one thing, right? Even I was thinking, when was the last time you actually laugh out really like crazy, where your stomach really hurts? Remember the college days or the school days, when even to the smallest, silliest things, we would just laugh like crazy, isn't it? Right? So, and even in fact, I was, it took time for me to think, right? So I know you must be also thinking it, when was the last time? So definitely, I think it's long that we have laughed like that. So, and only thing we can bring it back is that, yes, if we did some silly mistakes, even if the milk is spilled onto the kitchen, floor, laugh it out. What's the big deal? Just say, so what? And even if you're not remembering right now, probably, I'm sure, when you were not able to remember, oh, when did I laugh out so, aloud, or laugh out so crazily? Probably you would, oh my God, I didn't do that. Suddenly you went into that guilt trip. So come out, say, so what? Okay, I didn't remember that, but now is the fresh moment. So let me start it now. So I think that's what all I just wanted to share. And yeah, I think before that, let me just make you laugh a little. Let's see how much craziness you still are left with it, right? So there's this famous Santa Banta jokes. I remember we would always laugh at, in our college days. So one of the joke I remember was that, so Banta and Santa, they are like a friends, okay? And so one day Banta said to Santa, you know what? I have invented a new kind of computer which behaves just like a human being. And Santa was very curious. He said, oh, really? In what way? So Banta replied, whenever it makes mistake, it blames other computers. Okay. So yeah, so that's what it is. So we don't have to blame others. I think we just have to laugh at our own self more and more, so that life becomes easy for us. And definitely not taking anything seriously. So this was what I just wanted to share, and I really wish you a joyful and fulfilling life. Take this mantra, and I'm sure you will start to feel light and start to feel easy. Don't take your life too seriously, and don't take anything personally, and laugh as much as you can on your mistakes, maybe on others' mistakes also. At the end of the day, we want to bring more joy and laughter. So I really wish that whether it's through humor or just simply taking ourselves a little less seriously, we can definitely infuse our days with a lot of joy and laughter. And so until next time, I just want you to be more silly, make more mistakes, and embrace your messiness of being human. So until next time, I want you to keep smiling, keep laughing more and more, and above all, just lighten up. Okay, so see you soon. Bye-bye. Take care.